Shiro on the right side. Shiro on the right side. Nice. Push now. Esper on the left side. Kill Esper on the left side. Hook tayo shallow. 3, 2, 1. Hook tayo. Hook shallow again.
Everyone's low.
Okay, pushing now. Low on healers to. Sige, keep pushing. Pure CC lang, ha? Sige lang, keep pushing. Kasi hindi nyo makukuha yung heals pag di kayo nag-push. Flowers inside. Flowers. Nice kill, honey. Nice kill. Careful, bomb. Q. Nice. Keep pushing now. Pure CC. Now, come back 6. I 3 kill me. Come back 3. Middle now. All the 4. 3, 2, 1. Hooking game on 4. Nice. Paburst na neto. Lord Green. Yung shallow lang. Shallow. Careful bomb again. Careful bomb. Now, come back 3. Come back. Come back 3. Hit the boss on this side. Heals down. Hit the boss on this side. Please. Heals on AJ. Pailaw kay AJ ni Chai. Nice. Hold this position now. Tanks on 1. Tanks space number 1. Careful sa hook. Hit the boss on this side. It's fine. Keep hitting the boss. Careful sa hook. Careful lang. It's fine. Hook na to. Right side.
We're coming from the right side.
I see. Kinyo na to, Silva. Nice burst. Careful on west side. Come west now. Come west. Behind the star. Always. Behind the star. Keep hitting the boss. Okay matakot oh. Keep hitting the boss. Malay pa naman. Now come 3, come 4. Come to 4. Rotate around 4. Tank space number 2. Rotate around 4. Tank space number 2. Hook tayo shallow. Number 2. 3, 2, 1. Catch what you can. Number 2. Ito lang yung mga tanks. Oh. Ayun oh. Shallow. Nice.
Keep up.
Drop heals now. Come 4. Bam. Q. Nice. Come 4 now. Come 4. BLT. Kills what's inside. He's inside. Careful. Come 1 now. Push number 1. 2 seconds. Hook 1. 3, 2, 1. Hook on 1 now. Hook on 1. Burst 1. Nice kills. Now come back. Get these shallow kills. Bam. Q now. Come back. BLT, drop fountain now. Fountain. Come back now and burst on the boss. Pahit ako ng boss dito sa side natin. Pahil ako kay Rizzler. Follow up. Careful pop. No, mataan mo nga tong ADRX sa right side.
DPS please hit boss.
No ko ADRX. Pabers na neto ADRX. Ito si ADRX. Pakila ko neto, please. Pakila ko. Nice. DPS on the boss. I see. Left side ulit sila manggagaling. Come 4 now. Position number 4. Position 4, tank space 2. That's fine. Hit the boss now. Hit the boss. Come 2 now. Come 2. Come number 2. Bilisan nyo yung rotate. Hit the boss now. Keep hitting the boss. You can hit while you kite. Careful. Come 2 now. Come 2. Careful. Now come to 1. Come number 1. Paila ko ng front. Come 1. Come number 1. Pa-salvation ako dun sa mga tanks ko ha. Pa-salvation chain. Sige lang, come 1. We go around 6. We go around number 6. Come number 6. Sige lang, keep rotating. Middle tayo ha. Come middle. Hook natin to on the middle. 3, 2, 1. Hook on the middle. Ito, behind the middle. Pa-salvation chain ako. Pa-salvation ako, please. Patay ako.
Malapit.
Opposite side na kayo. Opposite side.
Come 3, come 4. Everyone come 4.
Ano yan?
Hindi ka pwede salvation.
Regen guys. Pop your heals, healers. Everyone come 4. Why are you guys going outside?
ADRX sa likod niyo. ADRX Ben.
I'm coming back, coming back. Just hold your position, ah. If they push, you go to other side. If they push, you go other side.
Saan nyo, kill saan nyo. Good job.
Mas marami pa yung resto nila dito kaysa sa atin.
Go, face them. Everyone face them.
Pahil kaya, hindi pa sustain kaya lang, Chay. Yeah. Come to, come to number 2, come to 2. Can you rotate number 2?
Nata ka.
Nata ka?
I'm good.
Sige. Come to number 3, please. Come to 3. Huwag niyo i-face dyan. Come number 3, I'm here, number 3. Tarapan ko kayo heals. Number 3, come to 3. Sige lang, kahit na kayo, kahit. Come to 3. Ito, burst nyo to, inside the bus. Sige lang, keep pushing. Now, 1, keep moving. Keep moving 1, keep moving to 1. Andito yung allies, oh. Come on. Careful of the back. Ito si Derek, nasa middle. Pa-pick off neto, ah. Piles ako, pile. Careful of the back. Come 6 now, 6. Keep moving. Follow nyo lang ako. Follow nyo lang star. 6. Number 6. Medyo nasuslow yung surge natin, eh. Shallow pick-off nga tayo. 3, 2, 1. Hooking game. Ito, shallow lang. Kill nyo shallow. Nice. Burst and come back. Kahit to 4. Kahit to number 4. Pasustain ako kaya niya. Kahit to 4. Sige lang, medyo unhealthy sila, oh. Hit the boss now. Hit the boss. Fight ng boss. Keep hitting the boss.
Gumagamit ba kayo ng guardian? Parang wala akong nakikita ng masyado ba?
Keep hitting the boss.
Find what you see through the
Keep hitting the boss. Come 3 now. Come 4. More on 4. Hooking game tayo left side nga. 3, 2, 1. Pawak ko ng tax. Left side. Catch left side. Bam. Purple bam. Pawak ko ng left side. Okay, come 3 now. Come 3. Ay, come 4. Come to 4. Guardians now. Letter C. Guardians. Letter C. Come to 4. Come number 4. Come to 4. Paila ka. Patay ata ako.
Gamitin yung guardian yung yung may bind.
Binabam lang tayo sa opposite side.
Ranger Garden.
Regroup outside.
Wala akong nakikita ng guardian.
Come out. Sobrang dami nilang bombs. Outside. Wala mo na magpa-pick off. HP ng boss?
20.
20%. Sige, paila ko. Patap up nito kay PP, oh.
We have to regroup.
Patap up kay PP. Pail kay PP, please. Healers? Any healers in the third?
I'm healing him.
Okay. Come on. Sige lang, pick off nyo muna to. Ito, malalapit. Pick off nyo lang. Sige lang, just hold there. Let them push. Hit the boss on this side, Yung mga rage ko, hit the boss on this side. Nice, buti na stun ako. Ito, hook nyo to, 3, 2, 1, hook shallow tayo. Hook shallow. Ito si Ashley, oh. Nice, come back. Patay ako. Patay na naman ako. Kaya ba ako sustain?
Nahila ka?
Nahilin kita kaso di kinaya.
Stay one. Everyone stay one. Pop your heals. Be healthy. Will engage in the middle. Go, rotate to 6. Prepare for hook. Slowly trickle. We'll hook in 5, 4. Hook 2, 1. Hook nyo. Go. Sustain. Thank you. Go, engage them. Their fronts are low. Go.
Oh,
Sustain. Push tayo. Napatay ako. Someone take over.
Saan kayo? Anong
Just push guys,
pin niya?
push.
Yun ang dami nakikills, oh. Come 6. Around 6. Pick off nyo na ito mga low. Patap pa muna. Huwag kayo maglampasyado kasi dun kayo nababam eh. Hooking game. Hindi ito mga ano. Ito, get these kills, oh. Come back 6. Pile ako ng front. ADRX na naman. Come to one. Eh, na masyado kayo nagdidikit-dikit eh. Tinan yung position nila sa position natin. Careful. Hooking game, oh. Pako ko nito mga shallow, oh. Ito si Penge. Ayan, oh. Ito, burst nyo to. Left side. On the left side. Ito, left side. Burst natin to. Pa-burst natin to. Ito din, si Matthew. Nice. Ito, si ADRX, ha. ADRX, oh. Nahuli dito, left side. Nice kills. Careful.
6% boss.
Inch in. Fight na ng boss. Hold position tayo. Fight na ng boss. Keep hitting the boss. Hold lang natin to, ah. Stabilize lang tayo dito. Stabilize lang. Spread now. Careful bomb. Pull it on the boss. Keep hitting the boss. Bam. Q now. Q. Nice Q. Puta, may napatay pa rin. Careful west side. Come 4. Pile ako sa right side. Come 4. Piles. More heals. Come number 4. Come to 4.
Boss is
Hit the
dying,
boss.
boss is dying.
Come to 4. Hit the boss. Patay ulit ako ata. Pile ako.
Hey, hit the boss na lang.
Pile ako, pile.
2%.
Sige lang, pillar tayo. Hold this. Hit the boss. All damage on the boss. Come east side now. Come east side. I see. Come east side. East. Number 6. Come number 6. Sige lang, hold lang tayo dito. Patap up ng heals. Patap up ng heals, please. Ito, magpupush sila dito, ha. Patap up. Full hook shallow tayo. 3, 2, 1, hook shallow.